depending on where you may be on the planet. Here in New York City, it is an absolutely gorgeous afternoon. No better time to be on the beach. Well, look at that. I just found a beautiful shell. Isn't that pretty? I'm gonna take a picture of it. That was a really nice seashell. I'm not sure what kind. I'll find out when I get home. But anyways, as I was saying, it is an absolutely gorgeous day to be on the beach. 37 degrees Fahrenheit. So, well, not many people go to the beach when it's 37 degrees, but when it's been snowing all day, when it snowed all day yesterday, and I don't care how cold it was today or what the temperature was, I had to get out. Because I cannot stay indoors all day for more than one day at a time. And so I decided to head out to a local beach in search for our local legend, the snowy owl. I saw the owl on this beach over a dozen times this past winter. But it's been a while. I haven't seen it in months. But apparently, it's still here. So, let's hope we find it. And there's a snowy owl. Right there she is. Can't tell if it's a female or a male. Or a young male. Oh boy, this is so worth freezing my ass for. My hands are gonna fall off. It flew off. I lost the snowy owl. I want to see if I can find him. He flew into the thrush here, into the beach grass, just ahead of me. Let's see if I can relocate it. I just hope it didn't fly into the woods. I'd probably never find it, but we'll see. Go time. All right, well, this time he flew way down the beach. I find that the owl's a bit more timid this time around than it was a couple of months ago. I guess it's less used to people now than it was. But boy, it still looks as healthy as ever. It's definitely eating good here on our beaches. I'm assuming it enjoyed its winter vacation. There's been many sightings of this owl feeding on mice, voles, and rats. So it did well. I'm glad it enjoyed its vacation here in my hometown. In about a month, it's going to take off. It's going to leave and head towards the Arctic tundra. And will be gone until hopefully next winter. when it returns here, hopefully. But it's been a great winter with this owl, I tell you. Some of the most memorable experiences I've ever had as a wildlife photographer. Because they're such charismatic owls, you know. They're accommodating, they're rare. And just knowing that they came all the way from the Arctic tundra onto a beach 5 minutes from my home is just unbelievable. Just follow the wildlife photographer. Yeah, the owl's there, right in front of him. Okay, off I go. Whew. That is what we live for. I not only forgot my gloves, but I forgot my chapstick. You know, 37 degrees isn't freezing, but when you're holding a metal camera with bare hands and the wind is blowing, but man, it's so worth it. Oh, that was so worth it. Let's count our fishes. Let me count my fishies. Let's see what I got. Oh, beautiful. Gorgeous. Nice, 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 nice. They're looking good. Oh, baby. Well, guys, that about sums it up for today's journey and excursion. Hope you guys had a wonderful time alongside with me. I sure did. Despite the cold, but I want to head home. My tea is actually still warm, thank goodness. Oh, but I definitely need a nice hot soup right about now. So I'm gonna go home and get some dinner. Well, lunch. It's not even 3 p.m. and my day's not over. I may head to another park and look for more critters. Can't get enough critters. Well, guys, that's it for now. That's it for the snowy owl. Hope you guys had a good time, and remember to smell those roses.